just around the corner. Things are heating up. To be completely honest, at the beginning of quarantine, I injured myself. I developed carpal tunnel in both of my wrists, and my hands were tingly and numb all the time. So the one thing that I looked forward to the most was working out, and working out helped increase the blood circulation in my body, and it helped me heal, and I feel ready again to tackle my YouTube videos. Thank you to Fabletics for sponsoring today's video. They have an awesome deal where you get any 2 pairs of bottoms for $24 if you join as a new VIP member, plus 50% off everything, including the top that I'm wearing right now, and free shipping. So if you guys like anything that I'm sharing with you today, be sure to shop the video by clicking on the links down below. Without further ado, let's hop into this video.
Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find it, I'ma keep them.
Raise your hand if you're the CEO of Rocking Dark Roots. I know, all of us are just stuck at home, and I haven't been able to visit my hairstylist, and I miss him so much. I know, my hair grows so fast, which is good because that means I have healthy hair.
I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie?
We layer on top a little mini skirt. That way you just have a little bit more coverage on the lower area.
Something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find it.
Whew, summer is upon us. It is almost 100 degrees here in San Francisco. This halter top is so stinking cute. I love pairing a halter top with biker shorts. These ribbed biker shorts are so incredibly soft, and they're seamless and so comfortable for lounging around, as well as just going on my quick little walks during the day with Bella. Whenever I'm having a bad hair day, I love chucking on top a baseball cap just to hide my roots because they are growing out. So I just plop this right on top. I love to maximize all of the pieces in my closet and come up with unique ways to wear them. On one side, this top has thin blue stripes, and then when you reverse it, it's just completely white. And for my skirt, I'm wearing this cute little floral midi skirt. You can also add a little knot at the bottom if you're feeling really hot that day. A quick little styling tip: if your sports bra is looking a little bit sheer and you want a little bit extra coverage, go in with some of these boob pads. I took them out of a different sports bra. I'm just going to place them inside of this top. A really easy, seamless way to incorporate more coverage without having to sew or cut anything. Now that summer is just around the corner, I've been living in neutrals and purple colored tones like this, just because it reminds me of iridescent rainbows. Finally, my hair is long enough to do a top knot bun. I feel like it's been forever. To jazz up a top knot bun, throw on some cute little hair clips that matches your outfit. I'm hot too. It's like 100 degrees. It's so hot today. Brie top in a dark purple color. I definitely see myself rocking this for a Pilates class. Like, there's so many places I wish I could go that I've been just buying outfits for and just like waiting and planning and eventually hoping that I can go.
Liars, you're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from.
Fabletics Fanatics has my absolute favorite pair of yoga pants. Every single month they come up with the cutest workout clothing, loungewear too. It's perfect for staying at home or working out. They have an awesome deal where you get any 2 pairs of bottoms for $24 if you join as a new VIP member. Be sure to shop the video by clicking on the links down below. Transition this look from a at-home Pilates class to a cute little out-yard barbecue. All I would do is chuck on a cardigan like this. Woo! You can really feel the burn when you do your lunges. I love that these leggings are high-waisted, super comfortable, and opaque at the bottom with the star print, and then the top has the cute little stripes. Another one of my absolute favorite go-to hairstyles is the half up, half down hairstyle. So I just bring about 2 inches of hair up to the top, depending how much you have. I'm obsessed with these biker shorts that I thought they'd be so cute paired with this sleeveless knit top. I've been working really hard to define my waistline with ab exercises that I'm definitely going to give this shirt a tiny little knot to stylize it some more, and then I'm just going to tuck it in underneath. And these white espadrille sandals. These ones are super cute because it gives the perfect amount of height, but it's still super comfortable. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of wearing bold prints, but when I do, I like to add them in little pops here and there. So I love that their seamless line feels like shapewear. It just sculpts and hugs to your body and it makes everything look so good. Super cute 4th of July look. I'm wearing these high-waisted seamless star leggings and the seamless star top. I just feel so nostalgic because the last time I wore this, I was taking a lyric class and I wore this all white look. Now it's like 4th of July and time has passed by so quickly.
If I find it